Okay class, today we're gonna to read a storybook. Bratty kid and bratty girl, how dare you burp in class? That's it, go to the principal's office right now.
Bratty kid and bratty girl, why are you here?
I burped in class. I burped in class.
Bratty kid and bratty girl, you don't never burp in class. That's it, you are suspended for 4 weeks.
Go home right now.
Bratty kid and bratty girl, we can't believe you got suspended for school for burping in class. That's it, you are grounded for 555039164200031 4966898825 years. Go to your room right now and never ever come out.
Wah-ay.